Hello, there you are, and welcome to today's live open home on Facebook. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Doing things a little bit differently today, but why don't you? Why wouldn't you, I should say. Today we're at apartment 7C in Stout Street, so that's apartment C at 7 Stout Street in the Mission to Seamans building, and we've got a delightful one-bedroom apartment to show you. So we'll start by panning through the living area, and I'll meet you downstairs in a tick. Very good. See you shortly. So as you can see, we've got a nice open plan area here, a nice open plan living, dining, kitchen area. This is a beautiful character building, and we've got a very smart apartment here, neat as a pin, and loads and loads and loads of character. So we'll come through now to the kitchen, but before we do that, we'll just spin around. And to me, one of the great features of this apartment are these awesome windows. Now we've got two very large windows that span 2 floors essentially. So a very high stud in this apartment, which allows you to have a mezzanine, which we'll take you up to shortly. But beautiful original windows, just stunning. All right, so we're walking through now, and you'll see we've got this lovely kitchen set up. Excellent breakfast bar and servery. Nice clean surfaces, plenty of room for preparing food, and lots of storage for pots and pans and everything else. And behind us we've got a nice little pantry. It's a good size as well. Again, clean and tidy, but you can get lots of cans of tomatoes in there, and baked beans, etc. Another a feature which is great is we've got a downstairs toilet. So the apartment's got 2 toilets, and they've also used this space for the laundry. So a good setup here, washing machine and dryer, hand basin and lavatory. Okay, we'll go upstairs. You've probably noticed the carpet. Original carpet, woolen carpet, really good strong carpet. And we go up to the bedroom, and as you can see, the feature of this bedroom is these louvered windows, or these louvered panels. So it just opens the whole place up, but it's very easy to close it off too. So good space, plenty of room. You can put a desk up here too if you wanted to. Double wardrobe. And a bathroom. And the bathroom has a bath. It's got the shower over the bath, but a great setup. And nice and clean and easy to maintain. So I guess you're asking what happens at night. So it's really simple. You've got your light from the outside here, you pull your curtains, your drapes, and you close these off, and there you go, nice and private and dark. So a really good solution, and louvers always look smart. A nice feature. They fold away nicely there. All right, let's go downstairs. All right, so I'm just going to talk to you about a few things about why you'd want to buy this apartment. The first thing about this apartment is that it's right in the middle of town. It's on the corner of Whitmore and Stout Street, a very short walking distance to Parliament and Lambton Quay and the waterfront. So it's a really handy position, not far from the stadium either, but you've got everything around here. And the other thing that really impresses me about this location is it's very, very quiet at night. So you're buying lifestyle and location when you purchase this apartment. It is really great. So it's on the market at buyer inquiry over $445,000, which is great value for money. It is a 75 square metre apartment, and we've got this lovely great stud height. We've got one bedroom, a bathroom and a separate toilet, and that's all for buyer inquiry over $445,000. Now what I should also mention to you is that it's on the market by way of tender, if not sold prior, and the tender date we've got down for the 27th of March. So if not sold prior. Now, one thing I want to make too is that I've got a lot of information on this apartment, and I can email it to you, and then the email has got a Dropbox link with everything on it, AGM minutes, financial statements, and long-term maintenance plans, all of those important documents that you would need to make a quick decision on this apartment. Another thing I need to tell you as well is that we do have an open home here this evening at 5:30. So we're doing an open home, so if you want to come and see it today, I can show you through at 5:30 tonight. And we've also got an open home here at 11 o'clock on Sunday. If you wanted to wait that long, that's fine. If you wanted to see it beforehand, just give me a call and I'll be happy to arrange an appointment for you. All right, that's it from me. That's John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very much for tuning in again.